Hi guys, welcome back to RVC Talk. So we'll have a quick relook at weekly on the Nifty and the bank Nifty both together, and anything on in terms of other options, we will have a separate video for this week. Okay, so this video is primarily focusing about Nifty and Bank Nifty using both our indicators. One is MWD magic levels. The second one is KC momentum, kinetic compass, right? So if you see this is an first somewhere here. This is basically in a monthly level starting from 1st of the February, and this is a weekly Nifty. Okay, so I have an hourly time frame just to show on the top level. So if you see, this is on a Monday. So this is on last Saturday, which is because of the budget levels. So if we start talking about from Monday, what happened? Monday market opened down, but we clearly communicated there is a possibility in terms of this is effect of the budget and don't get into kind of an PEs here. Okay, so from here only on the first 1 hour candle and then the next 2 days, 3 days, the market seems to be completely moving up. And Thursday, there is a first week expiry, and then today, we'll go in 5 minutes and talk about this. Okay, let me go to 15 minutes first. Here, if I start talking about this on third, right? Third, the first candle actually on the downside, but there is a pullback here. So unless this level, right, this 15 minutes, in fact, actually we are talking about the ORB, 1 hour time frame, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we clearly communicated unless this low is kind of taken out, don't go for PE, right? And in fact, that really worked well, right? So this on the higher side, there is a breakout. This entire day seems to be kind of in a flat market. It opened here, it closed here. But when the next day, Tuesday, when there is a breakout happens on weekly level and the weekly low, monthly low, you can see it here. Let me zoom in a little here, right? This is the first candle. This is a weekly low, this is a monthly low, and this is a weekly high, and this is a monthly high. You see clearly our indicator also suggested go for the CE on the opening candle itself. And this seems to be exactly testing on a 583 from this level, and which is in a weekly high. And there is a pullback here, but because the trend seems to be in a positive, and once a reversal, you see from the low of this 23,450, it went all the way up to 23,809 level, right? So almost like 300 plus points, like back to back in a continuous upside momentum. And even if you miss out something here, right, you see clearly it is being displayed in the green where you can confidently take a trade, right? So, and also you look at the distance between our indicator direction line and the yellow candles, right? So the next day, Wednesday, this is the high. We actually discussed in the group also. Take CE only once this 15 minutes first candle high is taken out. And in fact, that didn't really never happened till date in the last 5 days or 4 days. You see this once that is that is on Wednesday. From here, it's a continuous fall. And this is on a Thursday. Thursday is an expiry day. Again, same thing. And that day, basically, there is a push up, and then first candle itself is actually set the tone for the negative move towards down. But if you see there is a pullback, this is an expected thing. If you see other charts, it clearly communicated there is 23,600 PE, there is a huge writing happened, right? So definitely the writers, right? So the big guys definitely pull it back to 23,600 just and above so that all the PEs becomes zero. And that is exactly happened. Okay. And this is on a Friday. If you see Friday seems to be kind of like choppy market. And the reason for this is, RBI cut 0.25%, interest rates and a lot of things, right? So once this level is crossed, which is a monthly high, there is a good upside. But you look at the doji, right? So this itself actually clearly, okay, if I go back and put it in 5 minutes or 1 minute, you will be able to see. Okay, let me put it in a 1 minute time frame for today, right? Quickly, we'll talk about this, right? So you see this when a weekly high is not able to take out. So here there is a good upside momentum. From here 563, it went all the way to 590. But when this high is not able to sustain, you see the pullback here, and we got a clear indication of sell here. And from here, the good fall all the way here. But once a buy indication or an early indication is here, you see another. So basically, a good PE and good CE, both the trades on the same day, right? So from 570 level to 430, like 450 level, 120 points here, 120 points here. Okay, this is on a Nifty. Okay, what we can expect in the next week? Okay, let me go back and put it in 15 minutes. Here, if you see the next week, basically the monthly levels are going to be the same, and weekly levels are going to be somewhere here. And inside momentum crossing high of the month, a high of the month has taken out, then we can see a slight good upside momentum. But high of the week also take out, then we can see a further upside momentum. So anything on a breaking both these levels, be prepared to be kind of like downside momentum. So 23,500 is going to be kind of a psychologically strong important level. And if it breaks, then we will be able to see some further downside. Quickly, if you go back and see on the Bank Nifty part, right? Bank Nifty 50,000 level is playing very important role, and a breakdown below 50,000, like today morning actually, if I go back at, okay, so here 50,000 level, he is here. Anything, a little downwards, it is able to pull it back. But if it break down 50,000 sustains below this, we will be able to see close to around like 49,000 quickly. So be on a PE side if it breaks down and sustains. Okay, now if you see again on 15 minutes chart, once this level is crossed, you see this is what I always talk, okay? So this is in a fourth morning when this level is crossed, which is in a high of the month, high of the week, and you see a good upside momentum, right? So from here, what is the level 49,780? It went all the way to 50,550. So almost like 800, 900 points upside momentum, right? Once, okay, so let me go back and put it in a lower time frame. Sell indication today here is given in a good PE. In fact, actually, you see the most of the time, right? From here, a PE is almost like 50,300 to 49,900 levels, right? 49,800 levels. So good 500 points fall here, and then again there is a reversal. Okay, so there is a buy indication here. Anything above this line in a strong upside momentum is a buy indication here, right? So what to expect in the next week, right? Let me go back and put it in 15 minutes. So the market seems to be trading above this weekly high, monthly high, all these levels. And the important level is going to be 50,000. If a close below 50,000 and if these levels are taken out, right, the monthly high is taken out, you can expect, monthly low is going to be tested. If this breaks, then we will see further downside. Okay, so there seems to be good support here at this level. Okay, so this is 49,250 level. So just draw some like a level here which actually is going to test this, and then you can expect bounce back. And also use these levels which will help you to take it right trade. All you need to wait for this. Okay, see if you look at this day, right, and the third of this is, let me go zoom in a little. So this seems to be a flat market. No point in taking a trade. You see this one, once there is a red, and this seems to be there is no color. This itself will tell you don't take any trades. This is in a sideways market. But when it is in the green, even if you take a risk, you take a trade, you are going to see in a good upside momentum, right? And here you see it is a flat market, right? This Thursday is actually premium meeting time, right? And then Friday there seems to be, and from here there is a red. You can take trades only when there is a clear indication, right? And even if you take a risk of some points, only when there is a market is trending, it makes sense to take the trades. Okay, so MWD magic level is along with the momentum indicator. Definitely, you all are actually seeing it in my group, right? Based on these indicators, we keep actually sharing the momentum stocks, which actually helps you to capture good upside momentum in terms of FNO stocks, non-FNO stocks, and also in index. We are helping a lot of people to take the right trades. Okay, so and we are doing that part as under free, right? So why don't you people join and then try to use that, which helps you to get right trades. Thank you. Please let me know in case if you had any questions, and kindly subscribe to the channel. And in case if you had any questions, ping me on 9494246220 WhatsApp. I'm ready to help you. Yeah. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.